Good evening all, you are watching the news now and I'm Arsha Vasudev with the news at 5. So let's have a look with the headlines first. An IAF Mi-17 V5 helicopter with the CDS General Bipin Rawat on board met with an accident near Coonoor, Tamil Nadu. World looking towards India for affordable, sustainable technology-enabled solutions, PM Modi. While we are caught in Magam Handwada, actor Jacqueline Fernandez appears before ED in Delhi. Australia bowl England out for 147 in rain-hit opening day of the Ashes. And now the news in details. CDS Bipin Rawat, his staff and some family members were in the Mi series chopper that crashed between Coimbatore and Sulur in Tamil Nadu. Sources said that search and rescue operations launched from nearby bases. The local military officers have reached the location and were told that locals have taken 2 bodies with 80% burns to a local hospital. Few bodies can be seen downhill in the area of the accident. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that the world is looking towards India for affordable and sustainable technology-enabled solutions across all streams of emerging domains including 5G, artificial intelligence and robotics. In a message for the Indian Mobile Congress, Modi emphasized that it was important to look at how the country's innovation and efforts contribute more towards bringing positive change in the lives of people. From 5G technology to artificial intelligence, virtual reality, cloud, Internet of Things and robotics, the world looked towards India with the optimism to provide technology-enabled solutions that are affordable and sustainable, Modi said. Wildlife Department today's night caught a wild bear alive at Magam Handwada. Locals happy with this action because of since last more than 20 days, Wild Department was on duty to catch the bear. Locals said that here are 3 wild bear walking here in which last night one was caught. Locals thankful to Wildlife Department Handwada and also appeals to put more cages so that another 2 other bear will be caught.
मगर मेहनत कर जबरदस्त इंतहाई मेहनत कर मशक्कत कर वह जनाब अब्दुल हमीद चौपान शुक्र गुजार मोहम्मद यूसुफ लोन शुक्र गुजार क्या डिपार्टमेंट सारी डिपार्टमेंट वाइल्ड लाइफ की शुक्र गुजार तो मेहरबानी करो सह जनाब मोहतरम अस दियो सह जाल यस ब्याक
जबरदस्त. As a part of public outreach program, a police community partnership group meeting was facilitated by Sopor Police at Police Station Bomay, which was chaired by SDPO Sopor Shri Furkan Kadir JKPS, accompanied by SHO Police Station Bomay Inspector Imtiaz Ahmed and other officers. The meeting was attended by a large number of respectables and representatives of Octave Committee, Traders Association of Bomay, Tujar, Goripora, Jaloda and other adjoining areas. During meeting, the participants raised various issues pertaining to police and civil authorities, menace of drugs, social crimes and other several issues. Some issues pertaining to police were resolved on the spot. Sanjay Rana, Advocate, President, People Forum Poonch, interacted with media persons in a press conference and appealed to the district administration for upkeep and preservation of historical Poonch fort. Mr. Rana said Raja Rustam Khan of Poonch laid down foundation of this historical fort and constructed older portion of it. Later on, Dogra rulers further constructed this monumental fort and made it a civil secretariat, and kings used this fort for public darbars as well. Earthquake of 2005 caused massive damage to this historical fort. People of Poonch made lot of hue and cry for its preservation. Finally, government started renovating work for this fort to preserve its old glory and beautiful. Sanjay Rana further added that because of lack of seriousness of the successive governments.
ये बंद कर दें. अगर आप ये बंद नहीं करेंगे तो कल कई और मंशियात के लोग कोई वहां पर घुसे होंगे, कल कोई पकड़ा जाएगा तो और बदनामी होगी. तो इसलिए जब तक ये पूरी तरह से रिनोवेट नहीं होता है, इसकी साफ सफाई नहीं होती है, इसकी जो टूटे हुए पोर्शन वो ठीक नहीं होते हैं, मेरे ख्याल तब तक इसको चालू करना जो है वो ठीक नहीं है। तो इसलिए मेरी मोज़बाना गुजारिश है कि ये एक धरोहर है, ये हमारा एक मॉन्यूमेंट है, इसको बचाना जो है हर पुंछी का कर्तव्य है। और उसके ऊपर जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने जो हमारा ये मॉन्यूमेंट एक्ट है उसके मुताबिक जो भी धरोहर है हमारी, उसको बचाना जो है अशद जरूरी है। तो मुझे पूरी आशा है डीसी साहब, एसएसपी साहब पूरा इसकी तरफ तवज्जो देंगे, जो भी रिक्वायरमेंट होगी उसको पूरी करेंगे और इसकी सिक्योरिटी का पूरा ध्यान रखेंगे, क्योंकि मिलिटेंसी जिस किस्म से बढ़ रही है और अंदर इसके कोई मिलिटेंट घुस गए ना अगर, तो फिर याद रखना फिर हम कितनी भी सिक्योरिटी लगाएंगे उनको ट्रेस करना मुश्किल हो जाएगा। इसकी सिक्योरिटी अशद जरूरी है सर। तो मेरी यही गुजारिश है कि एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इस पर तवज्जो देगी और जो भी जरूरी इकदाम होंगे वो लेंगी। धन्यवाद।
Stressing on the importance of 5G rollout, Reliance Chairman and Managing Director Mukesh Ambani said it needs to be India's top priority. He made the comments during a keynote at the ongoing India Mobile Congress. During COVID, when the chips were down, it is the cheapest that kept us going. He added, emphasizing the importance of technology and innovation in the post-COVID times. Ambani bent on the present his 5 ideas on the new theme, connectivity for the next decade. The 5 ideas revolve around adopting never tech in the telecom and broadband sectors, as well as actor Jacqueline Fernandez appeared before the ED here for a fresh round of questioning in a money laundering investigation involving alleged conman Sukesh Chandrasekhar and others. The agency will record the statement of the 36-year-old actor under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, officials said. She has been grilled by the Enforcement Directorate earlier at least twice in this case, during which she was also confronted with the Chandrasekhar. England made a disastrous start to the Ashes, all out for 147 on the stroke of tea after losing opener Rory Burns to the first ball of the series in Brisbane. Play couldn't be resumed after tea as rain brought early stumps on Wednesday. And that's all in this news bulletin. For more updates and latest news, stay tuned with the News Now web and keep watching News Now. Thank you.